Komshi benta ban rakhe ya ke International Nurses Day ka ba julong man la ka khal ar trek ujambang ha ka leng kari bat ka prithai baro ko we kinong trei ka kwat ka khia ne ki nurse chang ka Southwest Khas Hills District kilapan long ya ka jingya lang rakhe ka ba iphu iphieng Haranikor Community Health Center ha ke ne ka si kar pang u District Medical and Health Officer chang ka district u Dr. FR Lartang ula wan ban long kom u kang san bat ula ai ka jingkran jingyaro ya ka jing aiti lut bat ka jing shakri ba minat chang ki nurse bat ki baju trei shitom ban sumar ya ka kwat ka khia chang ki pat ba what happening ki jingeh ba ki ya kan do ka program rakhe ka la long ka ba job da ka jingeh shimbenta chang ki nurse ha ki jing rai ki jingeh le kai ba pher bat ki wei ki program pen bernya kum ka dak ka jing ai buram ya ka nonglam lenti chang ka kam nursing ka Florence Nightingale la pen long ru ya ka jing thong mombiti hadien ka ta la pen bot da ka jing at kek da ki nurse kum ka dak ka jing kemen bat ka jing ya tali la pen ya ka program da ka kong Wendy bat ka kong Ida Scam kat ba ka kong Esmarwen ka la puli ka tien ublei ka kong Big Harling do ka la ai ka jing kran pyang sobha kat ba ka kong Shim Durance Imle ka la kran halor ka phang jang ka ni gisngi bat ka benta ka ba kodor jang ki nurse ha ka em lang sa lang ka jing rakhe ya ka International Nurses Day ka long ka lat ban pen pau ya ka jing sngongo ba jing ro ya ka jing shakri barat ba jang ki nurse ki batre miet la bat sngi ban sumar bat ai jing ya da ya ka jing em jang ki breu
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Valerie Kalinda, PHN of Mobile CHC. Are you? Happy Nurses Day! Today is a day to thank and appreciate all nurses for the dedication, compassion, and service to humanity. We celebrate this day on the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Her life and work continue to inspire nurses across the world. She taught us that nursing is not just a profession, but a service filled with care, kindness, and sacrifice. This year theme, Our Nurses, Our Future, Empowered Nurses Save Life, carries a very meaningful message. Nurses are the backbone of every healthcare system. They work day and night to care for patients, support families, assist doctors, and save lives. The future of healthcare depends greatly on the strength and dedication of nurses. Whenever people are sick, worried, or in pain, nurses are always there to help and comfort them. From hospitals and clinics to emergency wards and community health centers, the primary health centers, and even the sub-centers, with patience, courage, and compassion. A nurse work is not only about giving medicine or checking patients. Nurses also provide emotional support, hope, and encouragement. A few kind words from a nurse can bring comfort to a patient during difficult times. Their caring presence often gives patients strength and confidence to recover. Nursing is one of the most respected and noble profession in the world. It requires knowledge, discipline, patience, and a compassionate heart. Nurses often work long hours.
Our future, empowered nurses save lives. This is the theme. So I think I have to talk a bit first, I think. So this is for empowerment. This empowerment is not only I can look at the board like people are doing on the mobile now. I can do the same thing. The beyond it should be beyond the empowerment should be beyond regulation and focus on nurses and safe environment, community compensation and leadership opportunities. So it should be beyond, but it should be there, especially recognition and focus on providing safe environment. I think in every hospital now you should ensure safety. I think every month you have to sit in that for the safety of the staff. So should continue, I think. For the safety, you should not be one suddenly decide what is safety. You should not be personal, so only physical, legal, and whatever. Maybe you try to decide what should be to broaden the points so that it will be helpful for you whenever you sit for this meeting. And then here, because nurses, I think, is becoming same thing as a health profession. It's becoming something like a what do you call market. So here this thing is extreme pressure on global healthcare system. So there's shortage of staffing shortages and high burnout rate. What is there? What is okay. So it should not be burnout rate. It's less now, I think. So I'm very happy that you remember. I think you know all about our friends Nightingale, what she have done, and how she started, what she did, and I'm very happy that you still treasure her memory. But in the meantime, a celebration Nurses Day should be for all the nurses community and personally for every nurses. We should celebrate for their achievement and